Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to roll back any driver to fix issues on Windows 11 or 10. What happens? You have installed drivers on your PC and everything was working fine. Now, Windows update or through any software, your drivers gets updated and suddenly certain component stops working. Then you can roll back new driver to one old. That means you can uninstall new drivers and revert back to old driver to fix these issues on Windows 11 or 10. Let me see how it is possible. First, you need to open Device Manager. For that, right click on this one Start button and select here Device Manager, or you can press a Start button and search for Device Manager and click on its entry to open the Device Manager on your PC. Here, scroll down and find the components that are not working currently. For example, let's take example board Rocket 410. This is my speaker and it is not working. Then you need to select the device and after that right click on it and choose properties option. Once you will select properties, this type of window will open. Here you will find driver tab. Click on this one and you will find here rollback driver. You need to click on this one to rollback drivers. After clicking, it will ask Windows will ask you question. Some options will be available. Select one of appropriate option and then press yes button. Then it will uninstall new one driver and roll back to old one, and hopefully your certain components that was not working before should start working. In case it is still not working, you can try other methods like update drivers, disable and enable your component hardware, or you can even uninstall and then restart your PC and again install drivers. Hopefully this will help you to resolve the issue regarding drivers on your PC. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.